guys, welcome back to my channel. So ngayon guys, we'll be doing a cleanup on my fridge. So I'm going to organize our fridge, this one, because it's been a while since I cleaned this fridge. And guys, this is what you can see right now. So it's so messy, things everywhere, it's not arranged, there's just stuff everywhere, it's all mixed and stuff. So what I'm going to do is put them, separate them and stuff. So I've got this organizer, all this that I got from Kmart. I've got 2 of these things. I've got 2 of these little ones, and I've got 2 of these big ones. So I think I'm not even going to use these big ones. Probably I'm going to use this for our veggie box, but I'm going to use these ones and these little ones. And guys, separate video for our pantry as well. I'm gonna do our pantry as well, but for now I'm gonna do the fridge first. So I'm gonna get everything out of there, chuck whatever we don't need, chuck the expired stuff, and I'm just gonna get it cleaned up, guys, because it's seriously really messy. So Jake is in the bedroom and my husband's at work, so we've got the house for ourselves. So let's do this, guys. So you know guys, I'm going to clean the top one first and then work my way down, because I can't do it in one go, otherwise there'll be stuff everywhere and there will be no way to put up the other stuff. So I'm gonna start from the top and then work my way down. So that's what we're gonna do. And I've got all the stuff from the top now, which are just meat, eggs and stuff. So I'm gonna chuck a lot of these old meats and stuff. So guys, please keep on watching and join me, guys, for cleaning my house. Struggle is real. And so I've cleaned the first, what do you call it, first drawer, no, not drawer, first shelf. And now I'm gonna arrange, I'm gonna think what I'm gonna put up there, and then let's proceed to the second shelf. And this one. So we've got Yakult, we've got this one, we've got meat, we've got this drink, the Up and Go vanilla, we've got eggs, we've got these garlic, whatever that I don't even know what they are. You know, my husband bought these who knows when, and we never use them, so it's a waste, you know, if I will just chop them. So I'll keep them until next year. Next year. Anyway, So he's got his beer that it's been in the fridge for nearly a year. Because he hardly drinks, guys. He's been drinking red wine now because it's good for you. But beer hardly any at all. So it stays in the fridge for months. My husband is really not alcoholic, guys. He drinks occasionally, but not alcoholic that you have to drink every day, every night, you know? Not like that. So that's what I like about him. This one as well. Yung anak ko, screaming. I don't know what he's calling. So we'll put the drinks here. So we bought a lot of these from Save More because they're very cheap. So we bought quite a bit, and until now we still got heaps. We still got in our cupboard some of these drinks. There, there, there. That will do, right? Okay, let's do this, guys. Guys, so yung garlic natin, dalawa yung container and malapit na sila maubos. So I'm just going to put them in one container.
Only one.
No more. Go in bed, please. Mommy's cleaning. Close the door. If I can open this one. Oh, I hate this, guys. It's too hard to open, but I got it lucky. So we use a lot of this garlic kasi nga for my prawns, and you know, for cooking I just love using this already crushed garlic. So I'll just put them in the same container. Save some space. Yes, Dad. So guys, yan na. That's yung first shelf. Pangalawa, and the second one. So nandito yung drinks natin dyan. Ito yung mga leftover food. It's in front so that we can see it easy. Leftover food to siya. I've got all the cheese and stuff in there. Mayonnaise and stuff, and some of these whatever they are. And yan guys, this barbecue sauce, I can actually put it here. Anyway, so yeah, that's it. And then I gotta clean this up, check what's good and not, chuck whatever is not good anymore, and then we can sort this out on this side. And then that's it guys, we're done. I already so guys, I've already cleaned these bottom ones, whatever you call it, was shelf or drawers. So I'm gonna put back the veggies that are so good, and I've already chopped the ones that are not good anymore. So all of these are still good. I'm just going to put them back, and then we're nearly done guys. My back, oh my god, help. Can you please come help me guys? Just come and help me out. Yeah, all these leaves are still good. Tomatoes, we've got pumpkin, we've got chili. And we've got the garlic. It's all done, all good. And I think we've got the corn. Yeah, so what do you think? Is it better? So guys, and I need to get this one by one right now, so I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna do that quickly guys because it's getting late now. I need to get dinner ready, and that'll be it. I'll show you the final result after. Anyway guys, so ito na yung final touch ng ating fridge. So I didn't touch our freezer yet because I don't think there's a lot of things that needs to be changed there. It's just frozen foods everywhere, and that's fine there. But our fridge, perfect. So guys, have a look at the final touch. Woohoo!
It's all ready, Mom.
It's all nice and clean.
It's already.
Yeah, nice already. Say good job, Mommy.
Good job, Mom.
High five. Thank you. Oh, big high five. Thank you.